Hey guys, so today I'm going to talk to you about the fire hydrant, the fire extinguisher, and its different types and class. So first things first, where can we locate a fire hydrant on ship? So fire hydrants are to be located at strategic points or positions, and its number and capacity is to be decided by the international governing authority. So what happens when this fire hydrant fails in emergency situations? So there is what they call an emergency fire bomb. It is to be used for emergency situations, and it has an independent means of water source, but then again it has only to be used when this fails. So now let's talk about the fire extinguisher. So there are 4 types of fire extinguishers, namely type A, B, C, and D. Type A is to be used for fire on wood and paper. Type B is to be used for liquid fire like grease, oil, and gas. Type C for electrical equipment failures or caused by electrical equipment and there will be fire. Type D is for flammable metals. And there is also what we call a CO2 fire extinguisher or carbon dioxide. It could be used as an alternate for type D or type B, since it is predominantly used for electrical fire and for liquid like gas and stuff like that. So there are 2 types of firefighting equipment on ship: portable and fixed firefighting systems. So the fixed type is this one, fire hydrant, and the portable type is this right here, fire extinguisher. And for the fire hydrant, it's nozzle. This has a nozzle, and the nozzle has 2 modes, jet and spray mode. And depending on the 2 modes, it is to be decided which mode to use depending on the pressure needed. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you learned something from my video, and for more updates, click the subscribe and notification bell button for Captain Roy Cabrera's channel. Thank you so much, guys. Peace.